Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how you can price your cabinet based on material consumptions. Material consumption. Uh, this is a base cabinet. It's 18 inches wide. If you look at the dimension, and if you go to the structure, you'll see that I've named all the parts. That's the shelf, that's the countertop, the left panel, the right panel. This is the bottom. I need to name that bottom. That's the back actually. It's not named correctly. That's the back panel. This is part of the toe kick. That's a stretcher. That's another stretcher. That's a nailer, and that's another nailer. Now, not everybody makes their cabinet this way, but majority of cabinet makers they use this kind of construction methods. So we're gonna give this base cabinet the material price. So we're going to go to catalog, textures, and let's go to one of these recessed. So I'm going to use this material here. You can give your materials name so that you can identify it. So we're going to worry about the wood material because remember that's what you're going to buy. We're going to talk about countertop here shortly after that. So let's take this material here and go to properties, and it does not have a price ID, so we're gonna create a price ID, which means we need to make sure that the price per square footage is included in the settings. So you're gonna browse, and this material is called 11.3. You can give it an actual name, but I'll just leave it like that. So add 11.3, and it's in square footage. And let's say the price for this materials is maybe $1.50 per square footage. All right, then we select. See, now selected, check on that box, then okay. So now uh, I'm gonna give the entire cabinet the same material except the countertop. Just leave it as default, and let's see the price of this cabinet. uh, you will see this cabinet here is going, it's 22.24 square footage, and it's gonna cost us uh, $33.36 based on material consumption. So what we're gonna do here now is try to resize it and see if the price is gonna change. Let's look at the report again. 33.36. Click OK. So if I resize this, we should see a price change. There you go. So you can price based on material consumption. This is $73.82. Right now, you can do the same technique with the countertop. Let's say the countertop is probably using a different material, of course. So I'm gonna go to countertops, and I'm gonna give maybe there's one called Adobe. No, I'll give it Aqua. Let's say this is Aqua is about, we're gonna add Aqua in our mix. Not one piece. Well, you can price by a piece or square footage, same thing. So we're gonna do the same thing here, and let's say it's $2. All right, then select, do the same thing. Okay, so now if we bring Aqua, let's look at the reports. You'll see that it's taking 6.8 square footage. It's $2 per square foot, and that's the price, and that's the total. Now, if let's say we have two of these, right, and we're gonna give them different names, maybe based on the size. So I'll say maybe this is a 42. So I'm gonna call it B42. Okay, and then this one maybe a B24, base 24. That's what it means, and make sure it's 24. And let's look at the price now. You'll see that it's changed. So in other words, Pro 100 will let you price based on material consumption. So if I resize this, let's see the total again. The total is 118.94 cents. If I resize this even a little bit like that, it should change. It's 123. Thank you for watching. Pro100USA.com.